In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Dropbox email. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to update the email address associated with your Dropbox account to a new one, ensuring you continue to have access to all of your important files, photos, and documents in the cloud without any hassle. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Dropbox.com. This is where the entire process begins. Once you've reached the home page of Dropbox, locate and click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to sign into your account, ensuring that any changes you make are secure and specific to your account. For those who have their Dropbox account linked to their Google account, click on Continue with Google. This option streamlines the login process by allowing you to use your Google credentials, bypassing the need to remember another password. Just make sure you're logging in with the Google account that's associated with your Dropbox before you proceed. Once you've successfully logged into your account, head over to the home page of your Dropbox account. Here you'll be greeted with all your stored files and folders. However, to change your email, you'll need to direct your attention to the profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu with several options to customize and manage your account. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Account Settings page, where you can make various adjustments to your Dropbox account. The user interface here is designed to be intuitive, guiding you through the process of securing and personalizing your Dropbox experience. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Personal Email. Here you'll see your current email address listed. To change it, click on Edit. This action will allow you to enter a new email address that you wish to associate with your Dropbox account. It's crucial to choose an email address that you frequently use, as this will be Dropbox's primary way to communicate with you about account notifications and updates. After you've typed in your new email address, you'll be asked to confirm email. This is a standard security measure to ensure that the email address provided is correct and free of typos. Double check the email you've entered before you proceed to the next step. You'll then be required to enter your current password. This extra layer of security confirms your identity and protects your account from unauthorized changes. Remember, always keep your password confidential and use a strong, unique combination of characters. Finally, after verifying your new email and entering your password, click on Update Email. This action finalizes the process, effectively updating your Dropbox account with your new email address. It's worth noting that after changing your email address, Dropbox may send a confirmation email to your new email to ensure that the change was authorized by you. Simply follow any prompts or instructions contained within this email to complete the verification process. And that's all there is to it. Changing your Dropbox email is a simple yet important task to keep your account secure and up to date. Whether you're changing email providers, updating to a more professional email address, or simply consolidating your digital life, these steps will ensure a smooth transition. Remember to periodically check your account settings on platforms like Dropbox. Keeping your contact information current is essential for receiving important account notifications and recovering your account if needed. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips to get the most out of your digital experiences. Until next time, happy Dropboxing.